In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the kill shot indicator in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this indicator showing up on your charts so you can start using it in your trading routine right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, TradingView will open the Indicators window, which is where you can search through all the available built-in and custom tools. Inside that Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the quickest way to find a specific indicator instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly on the search box so your cursor is active there. This might sound simple, but it's important because TradingView only filters results based on what you type into that field. Now, start typing the name of the tool you want to add, Kill Shot Indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically narrow down the list of results to anything that matches those words. Make sure you spell it correctly so the indicator actually appears in the search results. Once you see the Kill Shot Indicator listed, move your mouse over it and click on it one time. After you click, the indicators window can be closed, and you should now see the kill shot indicator applied directly to your chart. Depending on how it's designed, it might show up as signals on the price chart itself or in a panel below the chart. Take a moment to zoom in and look around so you can confirm it's working and visible. If you're not already on TradingView Pro or you're considering upgrading, make sure to use the affiliate link provided in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, and it also ensures you get set up with the same pro features needed to access and use indicators like kill shots smoothly and reliably. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box to look up the kill shot indicator, and click to add it. Once it's on your chart, you're ready to start exploring how it fits into your own trading strategy.